An ex-OpenAI scientist just warned, you have no idea what's coming. And if he's right, the next 3 to 6 years could completely redefine what it means to be human. AI isn't just another new technology. According to Ilya Sutskever, co-founder of OpenAI, it's the most extreme and unprecedented shift humanity has ever faced. Why? Because AI won't just assist us, it will soon be able to do everything a human brain can do. Sutskever reminds us the brain is a biological computer, and if the human brain can learn any skill, then a digital brain, an AI, will eventually be able to do the same. That means in the near future, AI won't just change which skills matter, it could handle all of our jobs, from writing code and solving graduate level math to designing businesses, running governments, and more. So the real question isn't if AI will take over tasks, but what happens to society when it does. Once AI begins improving itself, progress will skyrocket far beyond human control. Entire industries, government system, and daily life could be automated by AI agents capable of planning, reasoning, and acting independently. And here's the catch. Our laws, our institutions, even our democracy are nowhere near ready to keep up. This is why Sutskever calls AI both the greatest challenge and the greatest reward humanity will ever face. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt takes this further. Within 1 year, he predicts most programmers could be replaced by AI programmers. Within 3 to 5 years, we may see artificial general intelligence, machines as smart as the best mathematicians, writers, and politicians. And within 6 years, artificial superintelligence, computers smarter than all humans combined. Imagine having the smartest human mind in your pocket for every problem. These changes won't just hit programmers. AI agents will soon handle complete processes, from buying property and managing contracts to designing buildings and running supply chains. Business, government, education, no domain is safe from disruption. We're not just talking about coding or math. We are talking about the automation of everything. Now, some argue automation always creates more jobs than it destroys. That's been true for 300 years. But this time may be different. Look at Asia. Many countries are facing population collapse with birth rates at record lows. Fewer workers means economies are racing to automate faster than ever. In 30 to 40 years, the world may rely on a smaller workforce, supercharged by AI, to carry the burden for billions. So here's the bottom line. AI is advancing toward general and even superintelligence faster than society can prepare. It will reshape work, economies, and governance within the next decade, whether you see it as the greatest opportunity or the greatest threat. One thing is certain, ignoring it is not an option. If this breakdown opened your eyes, hit subscribe, share this with your network, and let me know in the comments. Do you believe AI is humanity's biggest opportunity or its biggest danger?